Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself staring at a TradingView chart and thinking, how do I actually draw those trend lines and other important lines I always see in tutorials? Today's video is just for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use every major line drawing tool on TradingView, and more importantly, understand when and why you'd use each one to upgrade your own technical analysis. Alright, let's not waste any time, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about what a trend line actually is and why it's such a useful tool for traders and analysts. A trend line is simply a straight line that connects two or more price points on a chart. It helps you visually identify the direction of the market, whether it's moving up, down, or sideways. Imagine you're hiking up a mountain. A trend line acts like a path showing the overall slope you're walking, helping you see past all the little bumps and dips. It's one of the basics, but honestly it's incredibly powerful for spotting support and resistance, or just understanding the story your chart is telling. Alright, now let's actually start drawing. The first tool we'll use is the simple trend line. On TradingView, head over to the left-hand toolbar and select the diagonal line icon. Click once to set the starting point, maybe at a local low or high, then click again to set the endpoint. You'll see that clear line tracking the price action. This isn't just for show. It helps highlight where momentum is flowing and where price might bounce or break through in the future. Up next, let's try the ray. Think of the ray like the trend line's long-distance cousin. It starts at your chosen point and continues infinitely in one direction. On your chart, grab the ray tool, click your starting point and drag. You'll notice it keeps going even past your second click. This tool's great for projecting trends far into the future. Sometimes you want to see if a current pattern might influence price weeks or months ahead. Now let's look at the info line. This is more than just a line, it gives you extra details as you draw, like the exact price difference, percentage change, and even the number of bars between your 2 points. Select it, mark your 2 points, and take a second to let all those statistics sink in. It's like getting an instant summary of the move you're examining. Moving along, the extended line comes next. It's similar to a trend line, but instead of stopping at your endpoints, it stretches endlessly in both directions. Think of it as casting a net across your chart, helping you spot how a historical trend might still impact today's prices. Just click and drag like before and you'll see it appear. Now let's try out the trend angle. This one's a bit unique. It lets you measure the precise angle of a move. Maybe you're wondering just how steep a rally is. This tool will tell you in degrees. Select the trend angle, draw from point A to B, and TradingView will show you the exact angle on the chart. Don't worry if the numbers seem arbitrary at first. With time, you'll start to recognize which angles represent healthy trends versus overextended moves. Next is the horizontal line. This puts a flat line across your entire chart at a specific price. Super useful for marking support, resistance, or any level you want to keep an eye on. Click once at the price level you're interested in and TradingView does the rest. It's one of those no-nonsense tools that you'll end up using almost every session. Following that, we've got the horizontal ray. Similar idea, but this line only extends to the right from your chosen point. It's perfect for marking off important zones without cluttering up the past part of your chart. Let's not forget the vertical line. Click anywhere along the time axis to instantly mark a specific date, great for highlighting earnings days, news events, or wherever you want to remember something happened on your chart. Lastly, there's the cross line. This one lets you quickly see both a price and a time level at the exact point you click, almost like dropping a pin to say, this moment right here matters. Now there are more lines you can explore, but to keep this video focused, these are the essentials that will cover almost all your charting needs as you get started. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're feeling more confident about drawing and using lines in TradingView. If you have any questions or want to share your own charting tips, be sure to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you never miss another tutorial. I've got plenty more helpful tips coming soon. Thanks for watching and happy charting.